My name's Andrew Perry. I'm the CFO for IESA. So we're an outsourced procurement business. We offer value for our clients by saving them money on the procurement of goods. We do three core things. We manage their stores, we manage their procurement, and we manage their transactions. We had problems with data and information. We wanted to grow internationally, we couldn't. Our interface with the client was as good as they could be. We'd worked since SAP since 2003 in a business and so on, so we liked the SAP solution. And when we saw and read about SAP HANA and the power of the database that sit behind that, we realised that was a solution for us. So iTelligence brought an expertise to the project. Our team knew about our systems and so on, but they didn't know a lot about S4 and the new world. We worked with iTelligence since 2003, so we've got a historic knowledge about our business and how we work. Secondly, we also really liked the way iTelligence worked with the conversion factory. It was their methodology and the work they'd done previously with other people was absolutely essential. So they had a package solution, and then that combination with the UK team that knew IESA, the combination worked really well. We needed to do a conversion over a 4-day period, which was a challenge. We managed to deliver the converted system within 2.5 days. That allowed us to give a 1.5 day testing. Key thing for the business, it was non-disruptive. People left on the Thursday night and they came on the Tuesday morning, and the world was no different for them. We've now got a solution and platform that's going to allow us to grow internationally, but more importantly, existing clients can get better information real time driving forward, which will overall allow the business to grow and develop in the future. It was on time and under budget as well, so as a CFO, I'm super happy.